Hello everyone. Today in the handwriting classes I will teach you how to write capital letters in cursive writing. Okay, so here you are seeing the 4 lines which I have tell you earlier also. This is the top line, this one is the middle line, base line and down line. So for the capitals we will start from the base line and take it up to the top line. So first I will tell you how to write the letter A. For letter A, start from this line, make a curve from this point, make a curve like this, straight up tilt line, straight down tilt line, straight tilt line, move up from this point up to the middle line, then like this make a circle, move it forward. This is letter A. After A, letter B. We will start from this point. From this point we will start straight down, then make a curve, move up like up to this point, from this point to this point, then like this, the first curve. The second curve should be also similar size like this, capital B. For capital C, from this point curve it. C. From the C, from this point D also I will start. From this point move straight down, from here like this and slightly D. For E, make a small e and from this point make a curve. E. For F, from this point like 7, move it up, move it straight down, curve it, make a horizontal line on the middle line. Okay, you are seeing like this. F. For G, make a big E. You have to make a big E. Then move up from the middle line, move down straight to the down line, turn it, make a loop, stop. G. After G, H. For H, from this line we will move up, a straight tilt line, a straight down line like this, curve it, straight down, move up, make a loop, H. For I will start from this point. From this point move here forward, then upward, something like a triangle, then straight down like number 1, straight down, curve it. I. After I, for J we will start from the baseline, It's the same as I, but started from the baseline. Like this, up, like this, down, straight down up to the down line, turn it, make a loop, like this. J. After J, K, straight line, like number 1. Then from this point, a straight tilt line. From this point, again straight tilt point, curve. K. After K, L. From this point we will start from the middle line, like this, move up, make a loop, straight down, down, down up to the base, again move like this, yes, L. After L, M. For M we will make 2A. This one is the 1A, second A, M. For N, only 1A. Like this, A, and the second one is, then leave it. N. After N, I will teach you the O. O is simple. You have to make an oval. O. P. From this point we will start. As we are writing the letter B, the same for the P also, only the one ball is required, like this. Make a loop, go at this point, from this point to this point, from this point make a ball, single ball, P. For Q, make a oval, from this point make a cut, like this, Q. For R, same as like the P, started from this point, straight down, turn it to this point, first make P, like this, then a straight tilt line down, a straight tilt line up, stop, R. For S, same, we start from the baseline, straight line, make a circle on it, half curve, bring it down, from here make a curve, bring it up, and like this, S. For T, same as the F, same as the F, but no horizontal line on the middle line, T. For U, like this, straight, upward, stop. For V, straight tilt line, straight tilt line down, straight tilt line up, stop. For W, straight tilt line up. Now make 2 U. This one is the first U. This one is the second U. It's W. For X, we will start from this point. Make a reverse C. And from the same point, move back and make a C. Okay. It should be on the baseline only. After C, Y, make a U. As you are making the U, make a first U. Straight down. Turn it, stop. Y. the letter Z. Write number 7. As you are writing in a small Z, it's a small big Z. Number 7, make a curve from here, turn back, Z. Okay, now you are seeing all the 26 letters, all the 26 capital letters. I have shown you how to write it. If you like my channel, like it, subscribe it, and do a comment. Write beautifully. I will teach you in the next video the next writing, how to write capitals and small letters in print writing. This is the cursive writings. Next class will be the print writing. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe it, touch the bell icon, and learn to write beautifully. Thank you.